Getting a lot of spam in your emails? Rule of thumb: never open a link or an attachment unless you know the person that sent it to you and you have no doubt that they meant to send it to you. In this example, I saw this email and it was well written with no spelling mistakes. Where is it coming from? You can hover over the link with your mouse and the true URL appears. Either this is something that you recognize or not. Be cautious with any attachment or links on emails. In the next example, I knew the person that sent me the email and it was his correct email address. However, there was no reason that Paul would be sending me financial advice. Also, the email had been CC'd to reservations, which when I hovered over that email address, it appeared to be US Airways. Also, Victoria's Secrets had been CC'd. I laughed over that because I knew my friend would not have emailed me anything that would also go to an airlines and a lingerie store. But to be on the safe side, I emailed my friend and asked. He replied with a definite no. Be aware of people out to trick you with emails. Work smarter.